In this video, what we are going to do, we are going to perform oAuth using GitHub using Appwrite Club. So for the coding part, I have already made the sign in with GitHub logic. Like it's just a very simple, like create OAuth 2 session and provider and GitHub and scopes to repo and user. And yep, and return true if it gets successfully, else return false. That's it. And in the login.dart, it just simply read elevated button. It's simply a button and login with GitHub. And in the sign up, same process, like elevated button is just copy and pasting from the login.dart. Now the main part is like we have to configure our Appwrite cloud for the authentication using GitHub. So what we are going to do, we will head back to the here and we'll find the GitHub and we will enable it. So right now we do not need those things. Like in your case, there will be empty, but in my case I tried it myself and before making this tutorial, and now I'll try with you guys. Okay, so for this app ID and app secret, what we are going to do, we'll go to the GitHub, github.com, and here at your settings, go to the settings and come down. Here you will able to find the developer settings. Come here and click to the oAuth application or the GitHub application. Some of the developers click GitHub application, now they will not be able to perform the oAuth, but we have to perform GitHub oAuth app. oAuth app, we have to create an oAuth app. So click on the oAuth and register a new application. Application name, let's say I write it Appwrite auth. Homepage URL, let's say I add an homepage URL to be my repo. Let's say GitHub /Raman04. Let's say this is my homepage URL. Let's say just for the instance, if you have another your own homepage URL, just put it right there. It's just for me, right? I do not have homepage URL, but it is mandatory to give, so I've added my own GitHub repo homepage URL. For the application callback URL, come to the Appwrite, and here you will able to find the URL. Just copy this and just come here and paste it and register the application. It's as simple as that. So here you will able to find the client ID. So just copy the client ID and at the app ID just copy and paste it. At the app secret, for the app secret you have to create a new client secret, and hence your new client secret is generated. So if I just copy it and at the app secret, and that's it. So all the things which are going to required in from the GitHub is here. Now we just have to update it and we just wait, and now the GitHub authentication has been updated. So what we need is, we have already run our emulator. So what we have to do, we will just run our application and let's see. Okay, we have registered to users. See, our new user is here. So we have registered it, and yep, this is my GitHub email. So I'll just blur it, but the new user is here. So yep, the GitHub login is successfully done. So if you have any problem and any query till now, you can comment down and you can reach me at my socials. I'm very active there. So yeah, keep learning, keep exploring, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any error or any problem in the process till now or anything else. And bye bye, see ya.